me get my candles out. You know that I'm about to really get busy in the kitchen. It's time for a cookathon. There's a lot I need to cook in an hour and a half. But when I cook, I don't like the house to have a funky smell. So I'm going to use sweet orange only because of the season, as well as a bit of lavender, so that once I'm cooking, this burns and the house will have a nice smell. If you know me, I love my scents. That's my pot of eru looking beautiful.
Yes.
I did pepper chicken. And I did fried rice. Okay. This is my sister from Cameroon. Say hello. That's Pesta. Welcome to the UK.
Thank you very much.
I'm so excited. In fact, we have a lot to tell you guys, but I'm rushing now. We're going home really quickly, so we'll talk with her. In fact, when I met her, I forgot to take my camera out. I took my camera, but I didn't remember to record because we're so excited to each other. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. So later that evening, we came out to a new local pub, which literally opened 3 days before, around where we live in Northwich. It was really chocker, so full, but it was nice. We were there for a few minutes to catch up and then we went home. Breakfast! with my sister. In fact, I've not picked this camera up because we've been having too much fun last night. We've done breakfast and we're about to eat. I have to still do my skipping, but I'll get them to eat and then I'll talk to you guys soon. Yes. You have to use stuff. You cannot. As we get older, right? Our face, especially sun. Would you feel say this something in a play?
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Okay, look at me. Yeah. It's really beginning to look like Christmas. I was trying to sing before, but I'm not going to get you guys to have to hear my voice. We came into town, our local town center, and it was buzzing. Oh my God, it was so much fun. And of course, Lucibeth had the most fun. To take off. Yay! Some people. Yay!
Give your brother some.
Auntie Pesta! Hey! I cannot hear you. Move your hand from your mouth. What do you have to say? Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for what? Drama queen. Are you enjoying it? You're not eating. Take puff puff. Take puff puff. Get your trash. Help her pour her shot. Appetite, everybody. People enjoying the food. Oh, nice. Yay! Auntie's going. Auntie's going. Phoebe. I will miss you too. Grandma's pets.
Grandma's pets. Bye, water. Papa, she's a baby. Bye, sister.
Enjoy yourself, yeah. Bye, everyone.
I hope you not hurt yourself.
Oh, she will not hurt himself. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please give us a like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.